सभी को प्रणाम और ढेरों प्यार। मैं हूँ प्रिया। So welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, looking for the perfect walker for your 8-month-old? Today we are unboxing, assembling and testing out the Mimi Baby Walker. Let's quickly start the unboxing. Here's what's inside the Mimi Baby Walker inbox. The walker frame with instruction manual, handle and its fixture, toys and other accessories, then play tray, then comes the wheels, foot mat and the seat pad. Everything looks well packed and secure. Installation is pretty simple. All you need is this kind of screwdriver to put in the battery at place before fixing the play tray to its place. First attach the seat from the back side and then from the front side and snap in the wheels. Then fix the toys in the play tray and click the tray into place. Easy peasy. Lastly, snap in the handle and put the foot mat in place. Excuse the awkward sitting position. Trying to place the foot mat and film it at the same time wasn't exactly easy. Don't forget to adjust the height for making sure the wheels rotate smoothly. Now let's look at the features that make this walker great for babies 8-month-old and up. Play tray with fun buttons and rotating toy keeps your baby engaged. Adjustable height for growing babies. This one is the first best feature of this walker. Padded seat for comfort and support. See, it has been snatched in. Foldable design for easy storage. It has lock which will ensure the walker stays in either open or folded position when needed. 360 rotating wheels for smooth movement. Our baby seems to love the sound and toys, and the walker glides really well on tiles. Overall, the Baby Walker is a solid pick, safe, engaging and easy to use. If your little one is ready to explore the world on their tiny feet, this could be a great support too. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop any queries in the comments. See you in the next one.